welcome to my channel. This is like the third video. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm at the car show. These are so cool. Tell me what you guys think about this video and what kind of car you guys see over here that you guys like, and which one is your favorite. These are so cool. Let me know what you guys think. I found a few that I like. Oh, that one has a little Spider-Man on it. That is so cool. These are so cute. I like that. That is so cute. Look at this one though. Oh my gosh. I like that. There's more card to it. Look at this one though. Wow. Look at this one. I like that. And here's my color. I'm sorry if my phone is blurry, but I like this one though. There's more, like almost to the end of the video too, like the end of the car show. But let me know what you guys think about this video. And tell me which one down in the comment below which one you guys like a lot. I've never seen these kind of. I'm gonna look at that. That is so cool. Oh wow. You can see like the back of it too. That is so cool. I like that. That's what it looks like on the inside. Oh, look at this blue one. There's a yellow one also. And if my video ends, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys on my next one. If it ends, thank you so much.